Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this Ikea stairwell mirror hack. This cost me only £80 in total. So what I did was I got 20 LONSAS mirrors and 20 frames which are called Friskbo from Ikea. So the mirrors cost only £1.50 each, while the frames cost me £2.50 and delivery was free. So this was a total of £80 spent on this beautiful design. There are definitely a lot of interior decor shops that will charge you over 5 to 6 times more for this industrial mirror wall design. I inserted the mirrors in the frames. The LONSAS mirrors are actually really light and thin, so it wasn't too heavy to stick them onto the wall. For the amount I was saving on this mirror wall, I can't even complain about the task of putting the mirrors into the frames. I even had help from my mom, so it wasn't so hard. So I'm going to tell you guys what I used that paper sticky bit to do. My stairwell has been bare for quite some time, and I just decided to actually design this part of my house with something simple yet elegant without spending too much, just to elevate the look. So when I saw this design on Pinterest, I really liked it and I said I had to try it. I've been listening out to try this for a while, but I'm so excited that I just stood up and did it. The hanging stickers actually came with the LONSAS mirrors. They came in a pair and I still had to divide each of them into two, so I had more than enough when I was done with this mirror wall project. It's stuck on really nicely on the wall, and I don't think it's going to cause any damages on my wall. So because that was the thing I was worried about, but I don't think that's going to happen. Put the divided halves on the back of the frame, and then that was it. It's so easy to get this done. So easy. I didn't even have any problems doing this at all. This is one of the things I like doing mostly. This step is actually very important because I would advise that you use a spirit level. I had a very tiny spirit level that I got from a product I bought in the past, and that helped me. Even though the walls were not really straight, I had to work with it. Please be careful when you're securing this to the wall, because in case you have children, you don't want them falling. Mine has been falling for quite some time because I ensured that it was stuck on nicely to the wall. After this third one, I made sure to use 4 of the sticky papers instead of just 2, because I felt 4 was more secure than 2. So I'd advise you just ensure that you've stuck it on perfectly to the wall. Even though I already said previously that the mirrors are very lightweight, you still don't want them falling or breaking, and you don't want to actually have any preventable accidents. What I'm doing here is ensuring that it's completely leveled and there are no spaces in between the frames, because you're trying to make an impression that this is a one-piece decor design and it's an industrial mirror. Meanwhile, you know in yourself that you've got 20 mirrors, 20 frames, but you still want it to look really nice. So you just have to make sure that there's no spaces in between that will just give it away. So I lost some videos of the process, but thankfully I found the one where I was putting on the last piece. So it's the same process, putting everything on. It was quite easy and straightforward. So I just love the look of this mirror. It just looks like one piece. Like, I did a great job, even though I'm saying so myself. This gave my space a totally different look. I can't believe something as simple and easy can transform your space so easily. I wish I did this earlier. I went on to put a vase with a stem of flowers I already own at the bottom of the mirrors, and it looked really nice and simple. Alright guys, let me know in the comment section if you would consider trying this. Ask me any questions. I'll leave all the links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and check out my other videos in my home DIY playlist. Bye.